welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. This ginormous box is basically the PR kit, which is labeled PR kit, from Glamlite Cosmetics. I splurged, present to myself again, with, let me tell you, I did this Afterpay because it was still, well, when it restocked or soon after it restocked, I didn't get it right when it restocked, it went on sale for like 30% off. And then I had another coupon that took some percent off. It was still like right around 100, maybe like 80 something. It was like, no, it was still right around 100. With all those discounts, like it just had a generic discount, and then I was able to put another discount in. So I really wanted the PR package, but it sold out so quickly when it first launched. Like, if you don't remember, they have the pizza palette, the paint palette. The paint palette was like their only non-food thing. And then they did the paint too, which was like mostly all shimmers or all shimmers. But anyway, they did the pizza palette, the mini pizza palette, or like the pizza slice palettes, which I love, which is actually what I'm wearing. Besides, I had a glitter from another palette, but this, my glitter had faded because I was rubbing my eyes at work. So this is like the Cover FX Shimmer Veil Violet, whatever, from forever ago in BoxyCharm. And it also has the taco palettes, like there's the street taco palette, the burger palette, the burger slider palette, the donut palette. I don't have the donut palette. I don't have the burger slider palette, but yeah, they're mostly all about the food. I love the packaging. So anyway, so let's start with this collection. This is the strawberry. I do believe this is the lip gloss. I'm like, I so want to keep this packaging. I just don't know where I'm going to put it. But I'm like, how can you throw this away? It's like the cutest thing ever. I feel like you can open it up and it's like this. Okay, so just have a mirror on it. So cute. Oh, it does smell like, you remember like old school lip glosses? How they smelled? Or that, like those rollerball ones smelled like strawberry, but it's like fake strawberry. That's what this smells like. I mean, it's okay. I feel that glitter. It has shimmer in the tube. I don't know if it's coming across. Love this. I look forward to the day when we're all vaccinated. Or whatever. And I can go out without a mask and wear lip gloss. Because, you know, I don't really wear it at work because I'm drinking something all the time. So this is the Cookies and Cream lip gloss. And see, honestly, it was so much better of a deal, especially since I waited for this to go on sale, and I think I was able to use another coupon. Then just pick, like, I might not have picked this one. It's because I'm not uber iridescent problem, like, by itself. Oh, but that one smells like cookies. Maybe cookies and cream. Oh, okay, never mind. Ooh, that's just gonna be glitter. I like that. Okay, that's fine. It's not even like sticky. It's like a lot of glitter. Okay, that's cool. And it smells like cookies. And the last one is caramel. I was really addicted to caramel sundaes for a while. So this one's darker. I don't know if this one's actually a gloss. It does seem to have like a bit of a purpley blue shimmer in there. Let's see. Ooh, that does smell like caramel. Ooh, oh, that would be so pretty. See, pigmentation. It came with 2 lashes. So you got the Glamlite Ice Cream Sandwich Lash. That's what these look like. Now every lash is designed and handcrafted using the highest and softest quality materials. Our 3D lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your lashes, cruelty-free and vegan. These are Lindsay. Her lashes, like I've had the burger, the taco, I don't know what came with what. Very, very dramatic. Like way too big for my eye. Like I always have to trim them majorly. The band's a little thick. And it also came with chocolate taco lashes. That's what they look like. Very dramatic, very full. Like they're a look when you wear them. They're a look. Okay. Iconic. Okay. Before I even take them out, because you know you'll Look at these. So you got a strawberry or pink lip set and a chocolate lip set. And honestly, I was like dithering between the two. And one I don't think these were sold individually like the lip glosses were. It's like 2 lip glosses and then a lipstick in each one. So let's pull out the pink one. I'm like, these are just so freaking iconic. That's what it looks like. See, if I'd ordered, I probably would order this too, and this one, not this one. I mean, it's just a little too peach for me. Oh, that's the strawberry shortcake. But just a little too peach for me. I'm not going to try that one because I might end up giving that away. Alright. To this hot pink shade, which is called Berrylicious. Now these have a slight scent, but like a very slight, more just like the chemicals of the lipstick or ingredients of the lipstick. That actually might be more of a lipstick or just a really thick gloss. This one is definitely a gloss. Might not dry down. That might just be a cream lipstick kind of formula. And see that this one smells just like a lipstick ingredient. So little pink one going on. And here's the chocolate one. Now I'm craving like a freaking fudge bar. I want a fudge bar. Like literally. Okay. Let's see. Now these are very wearable for me. So you got chocolate. Does smell a little like chocolate. Like almost like chocolate coffee kind of smell going on. Yeah. So definitely brown. The lighter one is called chocolate chip. Again, all these have like a little mirror. That is definitely gloss. Okay, again, these glosses for some reason don't smell like the ice. These had good scents, right? These smell like ingredients. This one has a very strong ingredient smell, so if you can't get over that, you might not like it, but it's not horrible. Like I smelled worse. This one is so pretty. This is called Sweet Fudge, and it does have like a shimmer going in it. Okay, very similar to the middle one, maybe just with more shimmer. That one actually smells pretty good. So that one smells good. We've got this ice cream cookie sandwich flashes. They're a little bit more sparsed out. They're not as full, but they're still dramatic. This High Glam Foodies, the world's most delicious ice cream collection, is fresh out of the ice cream truck. We can't wait to see all the sweet looks you create with these treats. Want to save some money? Get 15% off your next purchase. Use GLAM15. Experience the nostalgia of your local ice cream truck rolling by with our ice cream dream collection. Grown up in Brooklyn, New York, Glamlite Cosmetics founder Giselle had the vision of happy memories of enjoying your favorite ice cream treats. We are super excited to bring sweetness and happiness into your lives through our products. And that's the founder. And this is the Mack Daddy palette. I didn't even open it, but look how iconic this is. Like everything, the cookie sandwich, the ice cream sandwich, the popsicles, so Philly, Sunday shades. I don't know what that one is. Maybe for this? Probably for this. So Asian represented on here. That's cute. Reflect. Pink ice cream truck. There's actually one that comes down here in the summer. It has for years. Like I remember when the kids were little, like kid would be like 2, 3, and they'd be getting ice cream. So you open it up, and there's the palette. Look how much fun that is. Look, I love that. So there's your sprinkle palettes. I think it's plastic, so I don't think I gotta worry about food. Very cute. Like just iconic. It's like plastic too. Open this up. Big giant mirror. But we're going to peel her back. Now these are the smallest pans I've seen pretty much from her, which is fine because look at that. Oh my gosh. So she's kind of wet in color stories, kinda. Like they got a very neutral row. That one's got a bit of orangey kind of color in it, but very neutral row. That one's a mixed bag. That one has a couple greens and blues, but then you got like a purple pink section and a green down here, and then like a neutral section, except for that one, and then a couple of neutrals over here. So it's not like the Walhalla 2, which is like kind of color coded. I mean, this to here goes like this section. You know where that goes. This section goes like this section. You create like Tetris shapes with it. It goes. However, it doesn't bother me, but I can see it bothering some people. You know me, I'm all over a palette. I never go in a row. Anyway, so I see the potential. She has a good mix of mattes and shimmers. Like a great selection. Look at that French vanilla shade. Gorgeous. Pecan praline, rocky road, strawberry cheesecake, orange cream, rainbow syrup. Oh my gosh, birthday cake, honey lavender, which I haven't tried. I don't know if I would try it because I'm not into floral flavors. Mochi. Love me some mochi. Green tea. I haven't tried green tea ice cream. I would think I would actually like it because I like green tea. Now, granted, I sweeten it with honey, but I like green tea. I used to drink bottles of green tea. Bubblegum mango. I love mango. Mango Haagen-Dazs ice cream, which is like the only kind of flavor mango I can find. Ooh, salted caramel, cookie dough, lemon. Don't care about lemon. Blueberry cheesecake, strawberry. Taro. I haven't tried taro. I really want to try taro. It's if you don't know, taro is purple sweet potato. Gelato, pear pecan, rainbow sherbet. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. It's got like a swirl to it. Gorgeous. Okay, I do like it. She did kind of group. She grouped the pastels together. That's what she did. I think all these are kind of pastels down toward the bottom, except for like that one. So you got more pastels and you got more crayon box colors. So kind of get that. But then you got your matte. Yeah, I get how she grouped it. Well, that was my little Glamlite haul that's been sitting in here for a minute. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!